Hey blockchain visionaries, it's George Levy. In this video I'm going to talk to you about Bitcoin versus credit cards. And the reason I'm saying this is because I have kind of like a personal beef against credit cards right now because they just left me hanging. And in this video I'm going to tell you exactly what happened and why I would have much rather been dealing with Bitcoin than dealing with my credit cards. If you're new to the channel, I encourage you to hit subscribe and hit the bell so you're aware every single time as I bring you brand new videos on blockchain, Bitcoin, and cryptocurrency, and topics such as NFTs and the metaverse. All of that you'll find in this channel. So simply hit subscribe and hit the bell. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly why credit cards let me down and I would have much rather been dealing with Bitcoin. Now, this is not the first time that credit card systems have gone down. In fact, there have been major outages in Visa, MasterCard, and credit card systems go down. In fact, I've published other videos where the networks simply go down. And what happens is if you have a single source of failure, you can have just one single point of failure and an entire Visa may go down or an entire MasterCard may go down and everybody's floating in the water. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is completely distributed and decentralized. And as a result, Bitcoin is a lot more reliable in uptime. In fact, now here we see some outages from Visa, but let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin it's been how many days? 3,325 days since Bitcoin actually has been down. It's been up 99.98730955556 actually, and that number will keep on climbing. By the time you see this video, it's still going to be way higher than that. Why? Because Bitcoin doesn't go down. And I've been stuck in situations where I've really needed to rely on a credit card or a bank or some sort of way to use payments in cash, but cash is not there for me. Why? Might be a bank holiday, might be an outage, it might be past banking hours. All these things are vulnerabilities, but Bitcoin's running 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And I've published videos about this in previous times when my banks have left me floating in very unfortunate situations. Now tell me, have you ever dealt with this kind of situation? Have you ever felt like you've been hostage because your bank won't let you access your money? After all, you don't really have your money when it's in the bank. They have your money, and if you need access to that cash, they have it, not you. And if they're closed, you're basically out of it. But Bitcoin, on the other hand, is always up 24 hours, 7 days a week. And that's why I love Bitcoin. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something in the process. I bring you brand new videos every single week, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm George Levy. We're changing the world, one blockchain at a time. See you next time.